Here's a nice occlusion setup here. Restoratively, okay, put aside that, say there's no symptoms, which I don't believe there is no symptoms with patients like this. Example, headaches, migraines, clicking, popping jaw joints, deviation, deflection, all that stuff. Putting aside, restoratively, this is not a good thing to restore to for implants. This patient got a big estimate to do a lot of work. I have a way more proactive plan. If we just get 2 millimeters here, we can easily make this a bridge and or 2 or 3 implants placed here to support the occlusion. On this side, very minimal onlays or crowns or whatever the patient can afford. Yeah, it'd be nice to stick an implant back there. The patient is a little concerned of spending too much money. Our course is designed to help patients and doctors find a better jaw relationship. Now, if you open just 2 millimeters, you need to know if it's actually improving things. Not just restoratively giving you vertical, but you're not ending up with jaw joint, airway, muscles, issues, and that you're actually improving it. That's what DENTA4 is all about. This is a very practical application. Thanks for watching.